Today, we're making sweet potato gnocchi. I'm McKelvie, and this is A-Class Cooking. Gnocchi has been around since the Roman times, but didn't become pasta-like in the Renaissance, where it was made with breadcrumbs. It was only after the Spanish brought potatoes to Italy from South America was gnocchi made from potatoes, like it is today. The first step is stabbing with a fork. Put these in here for an hour or so, just until the flesh is very soft and can be easily scooped out. Alexa, start a timer for 1 hour.
The witching hour.
Alexa, stop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is wait till it's completely cooled. After that, you want to cut the potatoes. This should go really well because you've already heated them up to a point where they're just really soft inside. Scoop the insides into the bowl. They'll just come right out like that because you already heated it up and it's already cooked all the way through. And if it doesn't come out smooth like this, then that means you didn't cook it all the way and you have to put it back in the oven. Now you want to make the sweet potato mixture with the rest of these ingredients. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mash it all together. This will stir it and mash out the potato fibers. Start adding the flour, a little bit at a time, and then stirring. Once stirring becomes too hard, transfer to a floured surface and start kneading. Use more flour until the dough pulls into a ball. Then when you have your ball, you want to cut it into 4 pieces. Boil salted water over the stove. Roll one of the segments out, and then cut it into 1-inch pieces. Transfer on a plate and make sure that they don't touch or they will stick together. When it's done, the gnocchi will float to the surface. After 3 to 5 minutes, they should be done and ready to be put on a plate with a paper towel or a rag to absorb the moisture. Pair it with sauce. And definitely don't try to poison your enemies with it. And happy Halloween!